Hey kids! Welcome back to Tiny Math Genius. Are you ready for a super fun math challenge? Can you solve these simple math questions in just 5 seconds? Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. Let's begin with the easy level.
Question 1. 4 times 0 equals what? The answer is 0. 0 times anything, always 0. Question 2. What is 4 times 2? That's 8. Nice and clean. Question 3. 4 times 4, go. It's 16. 4 fours sharp. Question 4. Can you solve 4 times 3? The total is 12. Nailed it. Question 5. Think fast. 3 times 1. What's the answer? You get 3. Multiply by 1, always the same. Question 6. 3 times 5. What do you get? The sum is 15. Fantastic. Question 7. Multiply 2 and 0. What's the total? Zero is the answer. 0 strikes again. Question 8. What is 3 times 1? That's 3. Same question, same answer. Question 9. Got it so far? Good. 0 times 5. Go. It's 0. 0 times anything, always 0. Question 10. 1 times 2. What do you get? The answer is 2. Easy level, done. Excellent. Medium level, zeros hiding everywhere. Stay locked in. Question 11. 1 times 1. What's the answer? You get 1. 1 times 1, always 1. Question 12. Think fast. 4 times 3. Go. The sum is 12. Same as question 4. Brilliant. Question 13. 0 times 4. What's the total? That's 0. 0 on the left, always 0. Question 14. What is 5 times 3? The total is 15. Smooth. Question 15. 4 times 4. What's the answer? It's 16. 4 fours again. Halfway through medium, incredible. Question 16. Got it? Stay sharp. 3 times 3. Go. 9 is the answer. Triple threes? Beautiful. Question 17. 4 times 4. What do you get? get 16. Third time, same champion answer. Question 18. What is 2 times 0? That's 0. 0 again. Anything times 0 is 0. Question 19. Almost there. 1 times 4. What's the total? The sum is 4. Multiply by 1, number stays the same. Question 20. Think fast. 3 times 2. Go. The answer is 6. Medium level, crushed. Final level, tricky. Zeros and ones hiding everywhere. Stay focused. Last 10, finish strong. Question 21. 1 times 5. What's the answer? It's 5. Multiply by 1, 5 stays 5. Question 22. What is 5 times 4? The total is 20. A perfect 20. Brilliant. Question 23. Multiply 0 and 2. Go. That's 0. 0 times anything, always 0. Question 24. 1 times 2. What do you get? Two is the answer. Multiply by 1, number stays the same. Question 25. Think fast. 5 times 1. What's the total? The sum is 5. Same as question 21. 5 more, you've got this. Question 26. 3 times 1. What's the answer? You get 3. Multiply by 1, 3 stays 3. Question 27. Got it? Beautiful. 2 times 0. Go. The answer is 0. 0 strikes again. 3 more. Question 28. What is 0 times 3? That's 0. 0 on the left, 2 more. Don't stop. Question 29. Almost there. 3 times 4. What do you get? It's 12. 1 more to go. Question 30. Final question. Give it everything. 1 times 3. What's the answer? The answer is 3. Multiply by 1, 3 stays 3. You did it. 30 questions. Easy, medium, and tricky. All complete. You are an absolute math superstar.
Great job! Subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. See you in the next video.